During this video, students will learn how to construct grouped frequency distribution table. Now we have quantitative data. How can we represent this data by using frequency distribution table? It's very simple. To construct the table, you need first to identify the highest value and the smallest value. Why we need to identify the highest and the smallest value? Let's see. The highest value is 19 and the lowest value is 12. After we identify the highest and lowest value, we will calculate the range. A range in this case, it's equal 19 minus 12, it's equal 7. When we look at the value of the range, the value is small. So I can construct a table with 7 classes. Can we construct a table with, for example, 20 classes? It will be difficult. That's why we will use grouped frequency distribution table in the next example. But as for now, since we have a range of 7, it means I can construct a table contains only 7 classes. And as you know, the frequency distribution table consists of basically 2 main columns. The first column is the class, the second column is frequency. Now, what are the classes? We will start from 12. From 12 to 19. So it's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is the classes. Next step, let's count the number of repetition for each class. 12. How many times 12 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 repeated 6 times. 13. 1, only 1 time. 14. 1, 2, 3. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15 repeated 6 times. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17. 1, 2, only 2 times. 18. 1, 2, 3. 19, only 1 time. Now, let's find the sum of the frequency. The sum equal 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 16, 24, 24, 26, plus 3, يبقى 30. Now, let's move to the next step. In the frequency distribution table with the quantitative data, we will add one more column called cumulative frequency. What does it mean for cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency means how many students get less than 12. It's 6. Okay. How many students get less than 13? Less than 13, it means 1 and 6. So you will add 6 plus 1, 7. How many students get less than 14? I add 3, 1 and 6. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. How many students get less than 15? It's 16. We will add 10 plus 6 equals 16. How many students get less than 16? 16 plus 8, 24. Less than 17, 24 plus 2 equals 26. Less than 18, 28 plus 3 equal 26 plus 3 equal 29. Less than 19, 29 plus 1 equals 30. So for the cumulative frequency, we will start with the first frequency and end with the sum of the frequencies. This table called frequency distribution table for quantitative data. Another table can be used for quantitative data, but this table called the grouped frequency distribution table. To construct this table, as we said at the first step, you need to find the highest value and the smallest value. The smallest value is 100, and the highest value is 134. So, first step, let's find the range. A range equal 134 minus 100, it's equal 34. Oh, we have a very big range. We can't construct a table contains 34 classes. So we need to divide the 34 classes into 7 classes. In this case, you will identify the number of classes. So let's divide to find the number of elements in each class. You will divide 34 divided by 7. It will be 4.8. It's difficult to have 4.8 elements in each class. So we need to round it up or down. So usually we round it up 4.8. It's equal 5 elements in each class. Now, if this result is 4.1, so how many elements in each class? The elements of each class also will be 5. In this case, we don't use the rounding rules. Since the value is greater than 4, directly we round it up to 5. Next step, let's draw the table and write the classes. The classes will start from 100 and add 5 to, so it's 105. Second group from 105 to 110. Third group from 110 to 115. From 115 to 120. From 120 to 125. From 125 to 130. And last group from 130 to 135. But take care. Look at the first group from 100 to 105. The second group starts from 105. So we count 105 with the first class or with the second class? We count it with the second class. Why? Because look, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. It means it's 6 elements. And we need to have only 5 elements in each class. That's why 105 will be counted with the second class. Second step, let's count, find the frequency. In the first group, we will count 100, 101, 2, 3, and 4. Let's count them. 1, only one element. 1. The second group from 105 to 109. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8. In the first group, we have 2 elements because there is 104 here. So here is 2. 110 to 115, let's count 110, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 elements here. From 115 to 120, we will count 115, 116, 17, 18, and 19. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 elements. From 120 to 125, 120, 21, 22, 23, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 7 elements. From 125 to 135, 125, 26, 27, 28, 29. So this is only one element. 130 to 135, only 134, it's only one element. When we add all of them, we will get the sum of 50. Next step, let's find what? Cumulative frequency. We start with the first frequency, it's 2, and then add 2 plus 8 equals 10, 10 plus 18 equals 28, 28 plus 13 equals 41, 41 plus 7 equals 48, 48 plus 1 equals 49, 49 plus 1 equals 50. As you can see, we start with the first frequency and end with the sum of the frequency. This table called grouped frequency distribution table.